Hey guys, what's going on? This evening I'm going to be taking you through a meal prep. Now you're not going to need loads of ingredients and you do not need to be a master chef, but it's still going to taste great. When I prep for 3 days because one, I don't want to be cooking every day, and two, I don't keep cooked food for longer than 3 days. So the amount of ingredients you're going to need is going to depend on how many times a day you're eating and how long you want the prep to last for. Now that's out of the way, I've got the ingredients over here. Let's get started.